Okay, hi there, I'm Nick from Zioxi. Here we are at ISE 2020 and I'm going to show you a little bit more about what onView can do in connecting you to furniture. In this instance I'm going to talk about batteries. So what we have is a product which we call a hub, and we're looking at it on our onView screen, and this hub basically is filled with batteries which have been charged, and you can then move that hub to anywhere in a building, and this control system will tell you where it is, it will tell you if anyone's connected to it, it'll tell you how much charge is left in it. So the whole idea is that students essentially can come to an area and plug in their devices, whether that might be a sports hall or an atrium or anywhere that they want to chill out in the corridor where there isn't an easy power supply. The big advantage is that we can control essentially when the charge starts to diminish. It will send you as the controller an email to say, I'm 20%, come and find me, come and plug me in. Typically that would be done overnight, but it can be done anytime. So it gives total flexibility to an estate in terms of providing power as and when people need it in environments when they can't plug into the building. Okay, thank you very much. If you want more information, go to zioxi.co.uk and you'll find more and all the things you need.